Hi, my name is Tiffany Torgan. I'm with Prestige Properties of La Jolla. I'm just doing some quick tips and tricks on purchasing a property. And one thing that has come up a few times is the repair request. You get an inspection on a property and you decide, what to ask for, what for the seller to repair, and then we go from there. And sometimes people, I think, like to use the inspection report as a negotiation tool. And at this point, you've already negotiated your price and terms on the contract, but they're trying to use that as a negotiation tool to get more off the price. I don't recommend that simply because in California, you do not have to do any repairs as a seller. The homes are sold as is. So a lot of times it really puts a sour taste in the seller's mouth, and a lot of times they just won't do anything. So what I suggest to people is pick the top things that you really are looking to get repaired, and see if the seller will work with you on that and not just go overboard with asking for huge credits and things like that. This is my tip of the day. If you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm building it up this year, 2025, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyway, thanks again, and looking forward to talking to you soon.